Hello guys, let's create your first course in System.io. First click the link in description for free plan and then log into your account. Then go to your main dashboard, go to assets and then click courses. To create a new course, click add new course. In System.io, a course is organized into modules and each module contains multiple lectures. Think of it like a book. The modules are the chapters and the lectures are the pages. Let's start by setting up the course details. First, give your course a name. Next, choose the domain and the URL path you wanted to use. Then pick a template that matches your style. When everything looks good, click Save. Now it's time to create your first module. Click Add Module, enter a title such as Getting Started and click Save. Inside that module, you can add your first lecture. Click Add Lecture, give it a name, and if you want the content to be released gradually, set a delay before it becomes available. You can also enable comments so your students can share feedback or ask questions. When you are ready, choose a page template and click Save. From here, you can add more lectures to your first module. Then create Module 2, Module 3, and so on. A good tip is to create all your modules first and then add the lectures inside them. When you are ready to publish a lecture, hover over the three dots button next to it. Click Activate and Confirm. Do the same for each lecture you want to make live. Finally, follow the same method to activate your course. And that's it. Your course is ready, well organized, and set to deliver a great learning experience to your students. Click the link in description for free plan of System.io, and if you have any doubts, leave a comment and I will help you there. Thank you guys for watching.